Hello investors, welcome to the channel where I use technical analysis to find possible swing trades. Before I get started, I have to make it clear I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I discuss here is for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes. The technical indicators I use are not accurate 100% of the time. Fundamentals of a company and macroeconomic factors can drive share price changes differently than we'd expect based on technical indicators. My goal here is to bring these companies to your attention so you can decide for yourself whether or not they're good investments for you. So please, if you plan on investing, do your own due diligence before purchasing shares in any company or consult with a financial advisor. Today, we're looking at Mosaic Company. Ticker symbol MOS. This is a mid-cap with a market cap just over $12 billion. And this company is one of those boring, under-the-radar companies. It manufactures phosphates for use in fertilizer and animal feed. You can see, looking at the annual chart, it is below all the moving averages. They had a recent earnings report, and the share price gapped down afterwards. Still falling. It doesn't appear to have found a bottom yet. Hopefully, like most gaps, this one will fill in the future. And the RSI is well into the oversold zone. These stochastics are also oversold and have turned bullish again. The volume chart shows quite a bit of red selling pressure, but it looks like the selling pressure is still on the increase. And the MACD looks to have bottomed out, or at least leveled off at the bottom, but has not turned back towards zero again. And if we scroll up here, as I've taken to doing lately, I'll switch over to E-Trade and take a look at fundamentals in a very broad manner. I was surprised when I looked here. These are good numbers. I have very low short interest. The financial strength indicates that it has less debt than 65% of its peers. That's always a good thing in this financially unstable environment we're in right now. PE ratio at 4.57, quite low, lower than 71% of other companies in the industry. Price to book value is just over 1.03. Now the gross margin is above average, beating out 62% of its competitors. But impressively, the operating margin beats out 92% of its peers. This is a very efficient company. Return on equity also beats out 80% of its competitors. Earnings per share growth is average for the industry. Now, the dividend at 2.17% is, again, average for the industry. That payout ratio at just over 13% is very secure. So altogether, this looks like a strong company that's just being hit by the current macroeconomic environment. Altogether, I think this company could be in for a jump back up in share price reasonably soon. But please let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you got something out of this video, as always, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit the like button and subscribe to help out the channel. And if you like these brief overviews of companies that might be good swing trades, please leave a comment for the YouTube algorithm. Or if you prefer to tell me what I got wrong, you can leave those comments below as well. Also, if you'd like me to take a look at a particular company using the indicators I present here, mention that in the comment section, and I'll try to get to it as soon as I can. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your investments.